Hey guys, Michael from Metro Hobbies in the train department here with you today. Today we're going to visit the island of Sodor and go over the new Bachmann N-scale Thomas range that we've just had come into store. As you can see, they've got a Thomas and a Percy. Also got Annie and Clarabelle to go with Thomas, some troublesome trucks to go with Percy, plus a water wagon, an oil wagon and a fuel wagon. Straight out of the box, they run beautifully. The Thomas and Percy have a recommended retail of $194.99, and the carriages and wagons start at $44.99. Available on the Metro Hobbies website or in store at the CBD store. Also of note, they come in nice plastic cases. They're stackable, so sort of like an IKEA set, which is really cool and easy for storage. So yeah, next time you're on the website or in store, come in and have a look at those and grab yourself a set of them.